class, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a hairband with this fabric here that I have already cut out what I'll be using. So here, the length of this fabric here is 18 inches and the width is 7 inches. Here is 18 inches length too, and the width is 7 inches in two places. Now for this one here, the length of this one is 11 inches and the width is 3 inches, and I'm using elastic band for it too. This elastic band is 6 inches. Fold our fabric into two, then use half inch to sew here. I have joined them together with half inch. Now I will turn. This is it. I've turned them. Now this is what we have. I've ironed them. This is how I open it before ironing. The same line will be at the center of it. I'm going to insert this elastic here on this small piece here. This is it. So now I'll go to my machine and hold this two edge so that it will not pull inside. This is it. Now to attach our elastic side to this headband, you fold this one side into two. This same line here will be facing up. You then fold into two like this. Place this elastic side on top of it. You place on top of it at the center of it, then fold to this side and fold again, giving us something like this. I will use half inch to hold it here. This is it. So this one now, I will insert this one from here. Still repeat the same thing. Fold to this side, then fold to this side. Hope you can see it. You place this elastic on this one, fold from here, and also fold from here. Now I will still go ahead and sew with half inch here. I've joined both sides to this elastic. So now I'm going to be turning it like this. You pull. See here, you just turn it like this so that this rough side will go inside.